Hello everyone and welcome to another trade with a day trader survivor. Okay, so as the day started, we're going to start and run through our watch list, looking for stocks with potential. Okay, again we're looking for reversal, so we want to see the stock going in the original direction, so in the original gap. So if it started with 3% up, we want to see it running towards the 3.5, 4, 5% up. We want to see reversal, which is basically some people taking the money out, taking the profit. Once we see a glimpse that the reversal will end or is about to end, we want to enter. Okay, so that's kind of the focus today. Actually, the focus every day. And that's what we are trying to achieve. Let's see if we can find some good things here and maybe make some money. Okay. Now, as you can see, we are 30% down. So I want to see the reversal ended and go into the short position. I'll go under the 850 if it reaches. Okay. So yeah, EFII, I want to go on the long position, but it's not moving. It's kind of weird. So I will double check myself to kind of understand why. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so EFII is basically bought. So I'm not expecting it to continue moving, so it's not interesting anymore. So I just deleted it. Okay, so we have spot on the shorts, but it's too big for me. Okay, so I don't want to go with $1 when I know it can go away with 5 ticks. So the spread was too big there. I just let it go. Okay, AXSM is looking good. Looking good. I would say over the 1450. The 14 will be the stop, basically. Let's see if we can reach it. Okay, nothing here. Nothing here. Okay. Okay. Again, we are looking for the short. So, yeah, it's going to the long position. I don't want to see it. That's now. So, we'll keep it moving. Okay. Nothing to see here. No volume whatsoever. So, nothing I can do with that stock. Okay, let's continue. Looking good over the 315. Yeah, so we have 25 cents. Let's kind of set it up. So if it's passing the 315, I want to enter. The stop will be around the 29. I don't want to see it breaking down to 29 because if it does, I don't care. Okay, AXSM looking great over the 14, pretty much. Yeah, you just jump it. So let's see if I can enter. Okay, so the 1360 will be the stop here. We'll see if it can enter or not. Okay, we bought some, so close everything else. So let's see. Again, 13.6, 3060 will be the stop. Partial one will be about 1445. Okay, so I will set it up. We will try to wait patiently. Pay attention to the VO up at 1420, 25. Okay, will be an important mark for us. Now we are not in a great volume, so it's 285. is okay, but it's not an amazing one, especially when we're already 15 minutes into the trade, 16 minutes into the trade. So let's give it a shot. Again, we're going to leave the trade if it's reaching the 1360. I will consider this trade as a bust. And hopefully we can make money. So let's see the stock run. Okay, guys. So we're trying to figure out if the trade is just test the view up and just going to crash, or it's a reversal, and from that point it's going to jump. Our deciding point probably going to be 1380. And a good indicator that is actually going to the long position would be over the 1415. Okay, so that's kind of two marks that we want to look at. We will see which one is actually getting the fight. Right now we are on the entrance pretty much. Now just to keep you in mind, I'm risking 100 bucks on this specific trade. The stop again is 1360. And you can see that it's going in problematic direction. We want to see the 1380 supporting the trade. We're not going to enter if it's crashing, but we want it to be supporting. Right now, supporting the long will be over the 14. We'll see if it can do that. So I just set up the stop to be on the 1360. It's starting to look good. Starting to look really good. Yeah, give it a little bit more energy. Now the view up is on 1430. So again, we want to see it over the 15, which is going to be a good indicator. Yeah, we just reached 20. That's great. Come on. So I set up a new stop on the 3080 because that's kind of where the last reversal actually ended. And if it's crashed the 1380, I will leave. So right now our risk cut to half, so it's 50 bucks instead of 100. We want to see them trade moves. It's a little bit late, so I'll wait for the first partial. And if I got it, I will probably leave the computer with the stop order, maybe second partial, and leave. If it's going to take the stop, it's going to take the stop. But I want to see it kind of leaving, that's all. Right now, we're 45 minutes into the trade. It's usually in that point I expect to see either the stop or the first partial. But actually 10 minutes before that. But the trade is building slowly. So let's see if it can do that or not. Okay, I moved the stop to the 14. So right now we don't have any risks. Yeah, we're getting more and more volume into the trade, which is great. So we have the 94, 99. We're looking for the 1447 to take the first partial. Come on, a little bit, a little bit. Yeah, we did it. So we have 60 realized, 74 unrealized. I'm going to leave the trade with the stops. Okay, so we just returned. As you can see, we had a huge jump on in 1024, reached the 1468, and then we crashed all the way down. So considering that crash, I'm kind of good with leaving the trade at 1410, which was the last stop. It might be better to leave it on the 14, but again, I'm feeling good with that. It might come and bite me in the ass, but that's the way it is. Okay, so let's kind of review the end of the day. To summarize, we finished with 72 bucks. Okay, so As you can see, it actually touched the 14 and then jump all the way up and continue to be stable. 30 cents above, it wouldn't reach the second partial, but again, all together, I still think it is a good trade. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want to get notice about the next trade, subscribe. Have a great day.